Hi everybody, my name is Chef Seb and you are watching RV Foodie Nomad's YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about RV tire maintenance and show you what you can do to make sure your RV tires are always in great condition. Taking care of your RV tires is extremely important. A tire blowout can really destroy your whole camping experience. So the better you understand your tires, the better you can take care of them. There are a series of numbers printed on the tires themselves, and you need to know what those numbers mean. The first set of numbers you need to remember are these 4 digits that are so-called on the side of your RV tires. You can find these numbers on every tire that's ever made. What they indicate is the time the tire was made. So in my case, this tire was made on the 38th week of 2019, which puts it right around September of 2019. We are in September 2020 right now, so that tells me this tire is just a year old. Another set of numbers you need to pay attention to are these right here. These numbers tell you what the pressure and the weight capacity of your tires are. And one of the most common ways of monitoring the pressure and the temperature of your tires is by installing a TST tire pressure monitoring system. And I will get into that in just a second. But for my tire, the pressure capacity is 50 PSI. And the weight capacity is 2340. That's 2,340 pounds. All right. So let's get into the TST tire pressure monitoring system. What this device does, it allows you to monitor the temperature and the pressure of your RV tires while you're traveling. The digits on the left indicate the temperature of your tires, and the digits on the right indicate the pressure of your tires. Which right now it tells me my camper's right side tire it's low, and I need to put some more air in it. But this is to show you how this device can really save you a lot of headaches. And if your tire is in a bad condition, it will give you a warning so you can immediately address the issue. When we bought our RV, our unit came with a TST tire pressure monitoring system, and the sensor caps were already installed in the tires. So thankfully, I really didn't have to do much other than mounting the monitoring system's display on our dashboard inside the pickup truck. Now, I know a lot of units don't come with the monitoring system, but you can find one online. Amazon sells them, and also you can order them directly from TST's website. I will include the web links in the comments below. Now that we've covered how you can monitor the pressure and temperature of your RV tires, I'm going to show you the product I use to treat them. Treating your RV tires will help you have a longer lifespan and also will reduce the possibilities of you having a tire blowout. The product I use is used by major commercial airliners, and I'm going to show you exactly how I apply this product onto my tires. This is made by Aero Cosmetics, and it's actually used on jetliners. So it's a great product, and if you apply this on your tires often, what it does, it helps your tires from getting dried out from the over long periods of sun exposure. So in addition to keeping track of your tire pressure and temperature, it's also important to make sure your tires are not getting dried out, and this product really helps with that. And I'm going to show you how you can apply this product onto your tires. In order to apply this product, you have to make sure your tire is completely clean, and you can do that by using a soapy rag that's a little bit damp, and you wipe your tire down entirely. So we're gonna go ahead and do that first, and then we're gonna apply the product. After you have wiped down your tire with a nice rag and you completely removes all the residue and dirt, we're gonna go ahead and apply the rubber care on the tires. And you can just spray it. Make sure you get all the areas. And we're gonna let this product set on the tires for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes of having your RV tires being soaked in the rubber care, you need to go ahead and wipe off the excess chemical from the application. And you need to do that with a damp towel. And that's it, folks. That's all for the tire treatment. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me through email or leave a comment below. I will also include the links to the products mentioned in this video in the comments. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves and happy camping. To see more of our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.